Hey everyone, it's Yayuna, and today we're going to be making chicken and dumplings, so stay tuned. Okay, first we're going to start out with 2 celery stalks. Got some zucchini, carrots, onion that I have to chop up. Celery, done. Next is the zucchini. I'm going to use only the neck part up to about here. So I'll chop this end off and cut it down in half and then chop it just to give it a little something. All right, ready to chop. Zucchini chopped. Okay, all I had was baby carrots, so I got enough to make equal to 2 whole carrots. I'm gonna chop these up. All right, carrots are ready. Let's put them in the pot. All right, next is the onion. And what I usually do is I cut the ends off and then I cut it in half and then I chop. That usually keeps me from crying. Lately though, with my eye issues, especially my left eye has been really sensitive, but that's how I do it to keep from crying. What do you guys do? All right, let me chop away. All right, and I usually just peel the skin right off like this. Onions are done, and guess what? Yep, my eyes are tearing up like crazy. So right now, I think what it is my eyes are super sensitive to everything. I'm tearing up. I usually don't tear up. I don't know, hopefully this will get better once my eyes get better. Wish me luck. Oh, it stings. I think I'm gonna start wearing glasses when I do this, for real, like safety glasses. Ooh, cause it's been making me cry and my eyes sting like crazy, guys. All right, I'm gonna chop up this chicken, small chunks. This is boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like dark meat. Jason likes dark meat, so that's what we're making. We have our pot on the stove. I haven't turned it on. I think I should turn it on. And throw some water. This is about 2 quarts of water in. I'll add the chicken in a minute. Yeah, it's about good. That's about half, so I didn't use all the water, but most of it. Okay, to this pot with water and zucchini and onions and celery and carrots, I'm going to add garlic. I'm not going to add these onions because I already added onions. Oops. Parsley, thyme, chicken bouillon, a little bit of salt, and later I'm going to add evaporated milk. Yes, it's going in the sink. All right, folks, you know me and garlic, so here goes the garlic. Norsuisa, about 1.5 tablespoons. So, chicken bouillon, a bit of salt, a little bit of thyme. Time is on my side, yes it is. And a little bit of parsley. That'll make it look like you've been cooking all day and you added a bunch of crazy stuff to it. It'll be good. Stir it up on low. We're gonna let it cook a few hours. Then later we'll be back to add the evaporated milk and the stuff to make the dumplings. Simmer with the top on so broth doesn't evaporate. It's been 1.5 hours and the chicken is cooked. It smells wonderful. So now I'm going to add the evaporated milk. Make sure to give it a good stir and leave it uncovered. And we're gonna make the dumplings next. Recipe for the dumplings is on the back of the box. So 2 cups Bisquick and 2/3 of a cup of milk and stir. And then once it's all mixed up, drop it by the spoonful into the pot. Okay, here's the dumpling mix already made, and I'm gonna do small spoonfuls and drop it into the soup. This is always the fun part. All right, folks, the dumplings are in. I'm gonna give this a good little stir. And then what I'm going to do is cover the pot and let it cook for about 45 minutes. So to thicken our chicken and dumplings, I'm going to add some cornstarch and water to the soup. So first you get cornstarch, and I usually do 2 or 3 of these. Mix it up really well, and as you see, the dumplings are cooked. It smells really good. I don't know, what do you think, Mr. Cameraman? Pour it in. This will thicken the soup. Pretty much, I use that slurry to make gravies, but I didn't want to use flour and milk. This is a lot lighter, and this is a heavy meal to begin with, so I just figured I'll do the cornstarch. Well, looks like it's ready. I didn't thicken it a lot. It's still a little fluidy, but I thickened it some, and it'll thicken as it cools off. So we're going to turn it off, and I will spoon it into the bowl. Enjoy. Alrighty, a little addendum, folks, just to show you. It thickened up, so just give it time. Let it cool off some, and after cooling, it'll thicken. Good eating. Before I forget, make sure to add more salt and pepper to your liking. I didn't add any more salt because for me it was salty enough. Again, I'm a person who does have to watch her salt, but others in this home like a little more salt, so you know, don't feel bad if you have to add more salt, you know. And pepper, if you can, use white pepper, but black pepper's just fine too. Anyways, thanks for joining me, thanks for being here, and I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.